Financial stability is something we all strive for, but it takes more than just earning money. It involves smart planning, disciplined spending, and strategic saving. In today's video, we'll explore how to manage your money wisely, build a solid financial foundation, and ensure you never go broke again. Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, create and stick to a budget. One of the fundamental rules of personal finance is to create and stick to a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses, helping you to manage your money more effectively. It ensures that you live within your means and allocate funds to essential categories such as housing, food, transportation, and savings. By tracking your spending, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make necessary adjustments. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income and fixed expenses. Then, allocate funds for variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Use budgeting tools or apps to help you stay on track and monitor your progress. Review your budget regularly and adjust it as needed to reflect changes in your financial situation. Number 2, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with funds to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when faced with unforeseen circumstances. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Start by setting small savings goals and gradually increasing the amount you save each month. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your emergency fund account. This ensures that you consistently contribute to your fund without having to think about it. Building an emergency fund takes time, but it provides invaluable peace of mind and financial security. Number 3, pay yourself first. The concept of paying yourself first involves prioritizing your savings and investments before spending on discretionary items. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments as soon as you receive your paycheck. By paying yourself first, you ensure that you are consistently building wealth and preparing for the future. To implement this rule, decide on a specific percentage of your income that you will save each month. Automate the process by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This way, you treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Over time, paying yourself first can significantly boost your financial stability and growth. Number 4, avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control and become a major financial burden. To avoid going broke, it's crucial to manage your debt responsibly and avoid accumulating high-interest debt. Focus on paying off existing debt as quickly as possible and avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Start by listing all your debts and their respective interest rates. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first while making minimum payments on lower-interest debts. Consider using the debt avalanche method, where you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, or the debt snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first to build momentum. Additionally, avoid using credit cards for unnecessary purchases and consider consolidating your debt to secure a lower interest rate. Number 5, live below your means. Living below your means is essential for long-term financial stability. This involves spending less than you earn and making conscious decisions about your lifestyle and expenses. By living below your means, you can save more money, invest in your future, and avoid falling into debt. To achieve this, distinguish between needs and wants. Prioritize essential expenses and find ways to reduce discretionary spending. For example, cook at home instead of dining out frequently, buy used items instead of new ones, and find free or low-cost entertainment options. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means making thoughtful choices that align with your financial goals. Number 6, track your spending. Keeping track of your spending is a crucial habit for maintaining financial health. By monitoring your expenses, you can identify spending patterns, uncover areas where you can cut back, and ensure that you are staying within your budget. Tracking your spending also helps you avoid impulse purchases and make informed financial decisions. Use tools such as budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or expense tracking notebooks to record your daily expenses. Categorize your spending to see where your money's going and identify areas for improvement. Regularly reviewing your spending habits allows you to adjust your budget and make better financial choices. Number 7, invest for the future. Investing is a key strategy for growing your wealth and securing your financial future. By investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, you can generate passive income and benefit from compound growth over time. While investing carries some risk, it is essential for achieving long-term financial goals. Start by educating yourself about different investment options and strategies. Consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals when choosing investments. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize returns. If you're unsure where to start, consider working with a financial advisor or using robo-advisors to create a tailored investment plan. Number 8, automate your savings. Automating your savings is an effective way to ensure consistent contributions to your savings and investment accounts. By setting up automatic transfers, you eliminate the temptation to spend money that should be saved and make saving a seamless part of your financial routine. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts on a regular basis, such as monthly or bi-weekly. This approach ensures that you are consistently saving without having to think about it. Over time, automated savings can help you build a substantial financial cushion and achieve your long-term goals. Number 9, diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Diversifying your income streams can provide additional financial security and help you grow your wealth more quickly. Consider exploring side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities to supplement your primary income. Identify your skills and interests to find income-generating opportunities that suit you. For example, you could start a small business, offer freelance services, invest in rental properties, or create digital products. Diversifying your income not only increases your financial stability, but also provides opportunities for personal and professional growth. Number 10, plan for major expenses. Planning for major expenses such as buying a home, purchasing a car, or funding education is essential to avoid financial strain. By saving and budgeting for these expenses in advance, you can manage them without going into debt or depleting your savings. Create sinking funds for major expenses by setting aside a specific amount of money each month. For example, if you plan to buy a car in 3 years, estimate the total cost and divide it by the number of months until your purchase. Save that amount regularly to reach your goal. Planning for major expenses helps you stay financially prepared and reduces the likelihood of unexpected financial stress. Number 11, Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about your money. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and money management can help you stay on top of financial trends and make smarter choices. Read books, attend workshops, follow financial blogs, and listen to podcasts to expand your financial knowledge. Stay informed about changes in the economy, tax laws, and investment opportunities. By investing in your financial education, you empower yourself to make better decisions and achieve long-term financial success.